This conference will now be recorded.
This session I am discussing about set group ID for a folder. So when set group ID permissions we can set for a directory, file created in the directory belonging to the group which the directory is a member. So I will explain this how it is working. So I am creating two users, user 1 and user 2. User 1 is a member of group 1. So I am just showing a scenario. So user 1 is a member of group 1. So I already created. User 2 is a member of group 2. So I am creating a folder I am creating, and that folder name is slash web, and I am creating a group also I am creating, and the group name is web app. I am creating. So what I am going to do, I am creating a user add user 2. So a group is also required. So I'm giving a group add group 2, and user add user 2. So is a member of group group 2. So I'm can modify this user mod -g group 2 user 2. So user 2 I am making as a member of this one. So I can check the information. So id command user 2. So you can see this user is a member of group 2, and I can give id command user 1. User is a member of group 1. So I want to give the password for this user, password user 2. So now I will go to root directory, and I am creating a directory folder I am creating called web folder. So I will give some permission 777 for this folder, so anybody can create files in this folder. So I created this. So now I will log in as user 1, and I will creating, I will go to cd slash, I will go to cd web directory, and I am creating some files, touch file 11, touch file 22, all I am creating. So when I do ls-l, we can see that these two files are created by user 1. So their group membership also showing or reflecting here. So I will now log in as user 2. I'm going to switch user as user 2, and it will ask for the password. So I'm going to cd slash, and I'm going to the web directory. So I'm going to the parent directory first, then I will go to web directory. Then I will creating some files I am creating, touch file 33 and touch file 44. So now we can understand that when I do ls-l, we can see that this two user 1 created two files. Owner is showing here, their group is also showing. User 2 is created, their group is also showing here. But we have some requirement. So anybody create file in this folder, so the group has to come like a common group. For example, so we need this is a group I created, web app or some group. So anybody create the file, so the group has to come like web app. For that we can use this set group id for this purpose. So I can do like this. So I am going to login as uh, root. I am going to login as a root user. So I'm going to cd slash. So I am going to do the two steps. So I'm giving a ch group. I'm changing the folder of this group folder. I'm changing, giving the ch group command. So first I will add a group. Also I will create a group called web up. So I just created a group like web up. So then I am changing the ch on. So the web app group I am making. So the folders group ownership I am changing to web app. So I'm not giving ch on. I have to give ch group command. So I just giving two steps. Only created a folder and the folders group I am changing. So what it will happen, ls-ld and this web folder. What we can do, the web folders group ownership is coming as web app because I given this ch group command. So the group membership I changed now. So now what is the, and one more thing is I want to get set group ID. So I can give using ch mode 2. 2 is for I can give 777 web directory. So what is 2 means set group ID. So also I can give ch mode group plus s web. So this way also I can give either this method also. I can give this method also. I want to make set group ID. So I can check it now. I can check the permission here. So it is coming RWS is coming here. So I can understand this set group ID is enabled here. S means set group ID. Group in the group place this is coming. So now I will log in as user1 su-user1 and I will go to the web directory and I will creating some files touch file 555 and I will give file 666. So we can see that now when you do LL means, so we can see that now I created this file, but the group membership is coming like web app. Anybody creating file in this folder, so the group membership, even if user2 is creating files also, the group will come as web app. That is we are telling here. So when set group ID permission set on a directory, files created in the directory belonging to the group, which the directory is a member. So directories group will come there. So I can just quickly do it. So I will give login as switch user. I am giving a user2 and I can go to cd web directory and I will create some file touch file 7777. I am giving touch file 888 also. I create do whatever file I created. The group membership we can see that all will come like a web app now. So all the group files, all this is coming like a web app. So that is the way it will be working. So thanks for watching.